My name's Tim Evans. I'm founder and CEO at 3TI. 3TI stands for 3 Technology Infrastructure, those technologies being solar, batteries and EV charging. At 3TI we've been building large static solar car parks since our inception 4 years ago. We set about finding a way of making that whole process much quicker, and we came up with the idea of Papilio3, which is a mini pop-up solar car park, and it's based around a recycled or repurposed shipping container. We'd been looking at an instant solution, or as instant as we could make it, for EV charging powered by solar. My colleague and I just started scribbling things on a bit of paper, and we took it to CDP, and I said, I want one of these, please. And they actually turned it into something that looked like something real. The thing that impressed me most was actually the speed with which the guys at CDP picked up the concept. In fact, they produced the first render in 24 hours. It was delivered to us first thing next morning. It went straight onto a PowerPoint slide and straight into a meeting, and the funder loved it. They got the concept straight away. Having secured that funding, we were able to come back to CDP and say, right, we're ready to go, and they took over the entire concept, turned it into reality. Over about 9 months, we've gone from a sketch with CDP's help from start to finish to a really top-notch product which is being picked up by people like Bentley and Silverstone. It doesn't get much better than that. We were working to a relatively tight timescale. We had this huge depth and breadth of team in Cambridge from CDP that we could draw on, covering a huge range of disciplines from structural engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and then the design to actually make it look nice and get the colour schemes right. Right across that range, it was like dipping into the best sweet shop in the world and picking out all the things that you wanted to end up with a product. We launched Papilio3 officially on the 28th of May 2022. Within a week we'd had 100 inquiries, and now 12 months later we've had 720 inquiries from 27 countries around the world. If we were doing it again, starting from scratch, I genuinely wouldn't change anything at all. Working with somebody as established and with the reputation of CDP just put us in a different league. Through what was quite a stressful process, with timelines and financial constraints from our side, you've got to get on with the people you work with and have a bit of fun. And they're actually really nice people.